Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about law of compensation. So there is a law of compensation. I want to ask you what things you are doing to help others. So I'm going to relate that to thinking to result, the lesson, the impression of increase. So what do you do for others? So there is a law, what you give, you receive back. So I'm sure you must be good out of something, and then of course you can do that service to help others, and by law what you give you receive back. So even though something not working for you at the moment, your business or job, and if you can start giving your service, whatever you're good out of it, and that's gonna come back. So this is what I want to talk about today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm a consultant of thinking into result, and this is what I learned from Bob Proctor. Everything works according to the universal laws, and according to the your mindset, and you have to know how your mind works. So mind works according to the universal laws. So the laws are be a part of, there is a fixed laws, and we are all the time we working within these laws. If we don't know these laws, we might be working against of these laws. So this is what I want to talk about today, law for compensation. People are not aware of it, and how they can compensate to others, how they can help others, how they can increase others at their service, and then they can get back whatever they're trying to, I mean, whatever you're trying to have it back as a finance. So this is what I want to talk about today, and let me share the slides with you first, then I will start talking about it. Okay, let me introduce you the company first. Welcome to the Proctor Gallagher Consultant Facilitation Training. And my name is Anita Bansal. I am a consultant of Thinking in Result. I help people how to set their goals, purpose goals, and the personal goals and professional goals, finding your purpose, and then of course thinking to result to help you to achieve these goals. So this is what I do. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the law of compensation. Okay, law of compensation. So what is a law of compensation? Law of compensation, you helping others. So that there is a lesson from thinking into result, the impression of grace, how you can help others, how you can increase your service. And according to the laws, if what you give you receive back, the service you give to people, whatever you good out of it, doesn't matter what qualities you have, and whatever you have the knowledge, you can start helping others, you can start sharing with others. So doing that, definitely you are the cause, you are the fact, you're gonna get things back. Even you might not see that, but you always come by law of compensation, the energy always come back. What you give is you're going to receive back. So I would recommend you to do that. Whatever you good out of it, it does not really matter. I'm sure you know something, as a as everybody have knowledge to share with others, helping others, whatever way you can help others every single day, and then you can use this law for compensation. So what you're gonna give is always gonna come back. It might not be from the same person, and but then from as a laws, universal laws, this always comes back to you, what energy you give, and that energy comes back just like a boomerang. And boomerang, when we throw out and always comes back where you are. And the same with the energy we giving to others, the energy comes back to us. So what energy we give, and that energy comes back according to the universal laws as a polar opposite, either negative or positive. So as your knowledge is going to be a positive, you're definitely going to receive positive back. So law of compensation is a beautiful law, and not many people are aware of it. Most of the people are they just holding the knowledge within themselves. They don't want to share the knowledge, or they don't want to share whatever they know it. And so this is the important law. This is why I want to talk about that law. If you have the knowledge, or things are not working for you, just start sharing your knowledge, whatever the knowledge you have, every single day, and try it for 40 days. You're going to see the difference, and what you give, you're going to definitely going to receive back. Just like the law is the day after day, night comes after night, day comes. It's a law, because it's in the universe there's a fixed laws, and whether we believe them or we don't believe them, they are still working day and night. So please start doing that. Start believing this law of compensation. Start to share your knowledge, whatever the knowledge you have. I'm sure you must be good out of something. It does not really matter what you good out of it. An impression of increase, and let other people to increase others, and once you start doing that, is always gonna come back to you. So how you can help others, and then that will definitely is you're gonna receive back your service. So it's just to, you have to have a belief in yourself to do that. So this law definitely works all the time. You might, from start you might not believe it, but slowly when you're going to see the result, and the things are changing for you, and you're not lack of anything, so that means the law is already working for you. Law is working all the time. It does not really matter whether we believe it or whether we don't believe it, but giving something definitely is going to be returned back. So let's start using this law for compensation, and see how that works for you. And I think that's all I wanted to share with you today. And if you are interested to do thinking to result uh, um, as a training, and let's inbox me, send me the message, and I can help you with your finding your personal goals and professional goals. And of course we are working on the purpose, and you might be looking for your purpose, and of course once you find your purpose, it's so beautiful to do that work, and helping others, and it makes you happy, whatever you're doing. But when it's on purpose, and you enjoy doing that. And if you have any questions, yeah, you can inbox me and ask all your questions, and around the goals. And if you still want to learn more, go on my business page, nitabansal.thinkingtoresult.com, and you can start learning about the contents. And I always post new contents every day, and that might help you to have a more knowledge around laws and thinking to result. And I think that's all I wanted to share with you today, law for compensation. Hopefully you're gonna follow this law. Try it for 40 days, and giving your service to others, and it doesn't matter what knowledge you have, and just start helping others, and see how that's gonna come back to you. And definitely you're going to see the difference. And yeah, I think that's all for today. The laws are working all the time, and start working within the laws, and you're going to see the change. Yeah, I think that's all for today. If you like the YouTube, please give thumbs up, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.